See the next point of this topic, conformation in alkanes. The phenomenon of different spatial arrangement of atoms that can be converted into one another by free rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. This is called conformation, and the compounds are called conformers or rotamers. This is the type of stereoisomerism. In which stereoisomerism, it is the isomerism in which different spatial arrangement of atoms. And in alkanes have carbon-carbon single bond, single covalent bond, and carbon-hydrogen bond. This bond is a sigma bond due to coaxial overlap of orbitals, and bond is cylindrically symmetrical. Therefore, carbon-carbon bond in alkane undergo rotation. Now, conformation in alkanes, other alkanes other than ethane are complex. So as to study them, these are the complex. Therefore, let's study about the conformation in ethane. Ethane having molecular formula C2H6, 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Now this is the molecule detailed structure of ethane. 2 carbon atoms joined to each other by sigma bond due to coaxial overlap of orbitals. This is carbon hydrogen single bond. 3 hydrogen atoms are attached on each carbon atom. Now in this conformation, it is result on complete rotation of carbon-carbon bond, single bond through 360 degree. So conformation is nothing but different spatial arrangement of atoms, and this is due to the free rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. So see this. Let's see this molecule in 3 dimension. This is the model, ball and stick model. Here I am showing you the ethane molecule. Here 2 carbon atoms. These are the 2 carbon atoms which are joined by this bond. Now covalent bond, and here 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to each carbon atom. So CS3. So this is C2H6. This molecule is ethane. Now this is, if we rotate, this is possible due to the free rotation about the carbon-carbon single bond in this ethane molecule in alkanes. Rotation means conformation result on complete rotation along this bond through 360 degrees. So if it is rotated by some angle, so this is one arrangement of atoms, and that is one different conformations that are results due to this rotation. We can rotate this bond, so that is this one carbon is intact, and other is it is rotated, the bond is rotated like this here. That way through and 360 degree angle. Therefore it results different arrangements, that is the conformations are results, and these are the infinite number of conformations are formed due to rotation through some angle. Infinite number of conformations of ethane molecule are possible. These are called conformational isomers. Infinite number of spatial arrangement of atoms, hydrogen atoms are possible, and these are called conformational isomers. and due to the rotation around carbon-carbon single bond. Here all the conformational isomers have nearly same energy, therefore they can change from one form to another form freely. Now out of these, infinite number of conformations are possible. Two are extreme conformational isomers. Let's study these. These are called staggered conformation, and second one eclipse conformation. Out of these infinite number of conformational isomers which are results due to free rotation along this bond, carbon-carbon single bond through 360-degree. So these are two extreme conformational isomers. Let's study. One of the staggered conformation and other is eclipse conformation. Let's see this staggered and eclipse, and the represented in these two ways: Sawhorse formula and Newman projection formula. These molecules which are three-dimensional molecule, and this molecule it is represented on the paper and on the board to represent in this way, in this formula, in the two formula we can represent this molecule, three-dimensional molecule on paper. So let's see this eclipse one here in the Sawhorse formula. Sawhorse formula, this in this representation, the line, single line it is drawn, and slanting line is drawn, and you have to see the molecule through an oblique angle, and to each carbon these are the hydrogen atoms which are arranged in space. So that is, let's see from this model here. These are the representation in Sawhorse formula. If we view from this through an oblique angle, slanting line you have to draw on the paper here. Now this is the first carbon or front carbon. Here 3 hydrogens are there, and rear carbon 3 hydrogens are attached. So position of hydrogen in this Sawhorse formula and eclipse conformation, the hydrogens are as close to as each other. So they lie close to each other in this eclipse conformation. Now in the staggered one, same. In the Sawhorse representation, staggered, rotate this. After rotation we get the staggered conformation. That is, so this, if we rotate this, in this way, so we get the staggered conformation, where this is the representation of the molecule in which the hydrogen atoms lie as far apart from each other. They are far away from each other in this staggered one. So this is the Sawhorse representation in which the line which is drawn, single line is, slanting line is drawn, and view from oblique through an oblique angle, front carbon and rear carbon. So that way we have to draw this. This is rotated, therefore 2 hydrogens here and 1 below. Now let's see the Newman projection formula. Let's see this below one, this one here. Same, it is represented in this Newman projection, but this point is represented that is front carbon, and 3 hydrogens are represented. The line drawn from center of this circle. This circle represents the back carbon or rear carbon, this carbon circle, and point represents front carbon. Now front carbon, these are the 3 hydrogens. So here it is like this. Okay, front carbon 3 hydrogens, and back carbon circle. These are the 3 hydrogens which are drawn from the edges of the circle. So you have to view from this is point and this is circle. So that way in this arrangement staggered, hydrogens are away from each other, far away from each other. Now eclipse one, we can, this front it is rotated, then this is eclipse. Here 2 hydrogens close to each other. Here center of the circle which is front carbon, then this point is front carbon, this circle is back carbon or rear carbon. Now see the front carbon, these 3 hydrogens, it is shown, the line drawn from the center of the circle. In this way the line is drawn, and the back carbon from the edges. So it is close to each other. Hydrogens are close to each other. So that way we can represent molecule of ethane in Sauer's formula and Newman projection formula. So just we have seen about the staggered conformation and eclipse conformation. These are the 2 extreme conformation of ethane molecule. This is the conformation of alkanes, phenomenon of different spatial arrangement of atoms that can be converted into one another, about pre-rotation, about carbon-carbon single bond, and this is the type of stereoisomerism.